Every breath you take carries approximately 10,000 particles. In 2024, you had no idea what was inside them. In 2050, neither does the pathogen. A graphene mesh, thinner than a single cell wall, sits beneath your skin, watching, filtering, neutralizing. Above the city, a three-dimensional air grid spans horizon to horizon, 200 meters up, invisible, absolute. You do not take medicine, you do not visit a facility, you simply move through the world, and the world filters itself around you. Subscribe to the archive. This is the Terra Dossier.